Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Across Protocol token. Ticker symbol is ACX. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing just yesterday. Brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Across Protocol token. So ticker symbol ACX. You can find this token. It just got listed yesterday on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code in the description box down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ACX, which is the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. If you want to find more information regarding this token, you can head over to their Twitter, which is @AcrossProtocol. They're doing very well. It's a very well established project. 49,300 Twitter followers. On their Twitter, you can find a full link tree. So if you head over to their link tree, you can find documents, you can find their GitHub, Medium articles, their Discord, Twitter, all sorts of stuff on here. It looks like maybe news articles on there as well, featured tweets. So welcome to Across, the bridge Ethereum deserves. Across is a cross-chain bridge for L2s and roll-ups secured by UMA's optimistic oracle. It is optimized for capital efficiency with a single liquidity pool, a competitive relayer landscape, and no slippage fee model. Capital efficiency is the single most important measure of a cross-chain bridge. Our one liquidity pool design, along with the interest rate fee model, allows for lower costs for users and higher yields for liquidity providers. Across keeps the majority of its LP assets on the mainnet, where it is most secure, and the protocol operates bots to rebalance between designations using the canonical bridge. Across interest rate fee model is driven by the overall utilization of assets in its single liquidity pool, which provides more consistent pricing. Across utilizes one pool. The Across protocol keeps the majority of the LP assets on L1 mainnet, where it is most secure and maximally efficient. Across is powered by a permissionless relayer ecosystem. Across uses third-party relayers that risk their own funds to bridge assets. These relayers can choose to move funds far faster than the origin or destination chain's finality times, allowing for fast fills. This means relayers can take calculated risks and compete with each other on speed to fill users' deposit requests. Across is optimistic, so Across uses UMA's optimistic oracle to confirm the transactions on all the chains and make sure they're correct. If there is a transaction that is incorrect, it will be disputed and resolved by the UMA token holders. It only requires a single honest actor to detect a fraud, so similar to what Bitcoin does. Across works smarter, not harder. Across checks if there are funds about to pass in opposite directions and instead keeps them on the chain that they're already on, and then instead of waiting for arbiters to fix price imbalances at the cost of the user, Across rebalances automatically every 4 to 8 hours. In short, Across is building the bridge that Ethereum deserves. So they have on their documents that you could find on their link tree that was on their Twitter. You can just skip right to the documents if you want to, which is at docs.across.to. That's where you can find it on the web link there. They have how to use Across section, so you can go over bridging. Gives you step by step. So it's like, here is what each drop down needs on the Across bridge page. It goes over step by step how to enter bridge details, approve contract, bridge away, review, all that type of stuff. Then we got a providing liquidity section. Goes over the pool tab contents like position, fees earned, total pool size, pool utilization, current APY, and projected APY. Shows you how to add liquidity, like step 1, view the pool, then select the asset pool to add liquidity to, and then select an amount to add liquidity, wait for confirmation, and then it shows you how to remove the liquidity as well. There's a reward section. So there's a reward locking program. There's also referral rewards, and those are 2 different ways that you can earn some more KCEX tokens. And then they go over transactions. So there's a transaction page that you could check out with deposit date and time, status of transactions, percentage filled, source of destination chain, asset bridged, amount bridged, all, a whole bunch of other stuff you can go over if you want to. So how Across works, it goes over the whole overview, a huge section on there, the speed, the fees, security model, supported chains and tokens. So the token overview on here, it says the KCEX token governs the decisions that affect the function of Across protocol. It's like a DAO basically. A token allows for decentralized ownership and control of the protocol. So yeah, basically a governance token. Now it has allocations on here. So let's see here how it's split up. So it looks like there's some of it goes to rewards, some for the referral program, some for strategic fundraising, some for the token swap, and then we got some for the community, early bridge users, liquidity providers, bridge traveler program, etc., and some for the DAO treasury reserve. Now it goes over the whole governance model, proposals and voting. They have frequently asked questions, supported links, all sorts of stuff. You can check this out on their documents. Check out their Twitter, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one where this token just got listed. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and leave a comment. What do you guys think about Across? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.